Hi everyone, welcome to One Stop Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Hamster Combat minigame of August 26th. So let's get started. And that's it. This is how you can solve the Hamster Combat minigame of August 26th. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.